Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2020 GMC Savana 2500. It's got the preferred package in it, so this is no plain Jane work van. It's got air, cruise, tilt, power windows, power locks, cloth seats, rubber floor for easy cleanup, auxiliary plug-in for your audio into the radio. It's really nice and clean. It is the 2500. It does have the 6.0. One thing it does not have is a lot of miles, only 8,000 miles. Got those impact bumpers on there for backing up. You know, got a van, you're backing into a lot of stuff. Backup camera. Take a peek inside. You got the LED lightings, headache rack, got some slats on the walls. It's got full factory warranty. It's passed 100-point inspection. Got the side glass, which is nice, like that if you're gonna be working in the van or just need to be able to see out a little easier. You know, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. So come and see us at AutoramaAuto.com, Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. Get a great van, great condition, one owner, factory warranty, clear Carfax, AutoramaAuto.com.